Hi, this is George, your trusted real estate expert, and I'm here with my broker.
Elvis Ortiz Whalen.
And we're here at the newest listing that features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it has a mother-in-law quarters. And it's a little bit over 2,800 square feet. Come on in and check it out. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other property, make sure you give me a call. Because remember, who you do business with matters. Thanks for watching.